door in. J-trim around the door. And we'll officially close it in. Maybe we'll get some tin on if we're lucky, but if we get a door on and the J-trim done, we're going to do good.
You did say it was quiet yesterday.
That's done with now, boy. You're shit out of luck. Vaughn doesn't have to turn the volume up.
No, nobody has yet. I come with one volume.
What if you two get the door ready?
Give me someone with some strength.
Are you kidding?
Come on, come and help me.
No.
Jeez, first 10 seconds are here. I gotta work with my sister.
How privileged are you?
Mine, I'm taking that one.
Yeah, save those 2x4s, man. Those suckers are gold.
Alrighty.
Do you need my help over there?
No, I just want to make sure that this door is ready to put in here. Have it in.
Okay, this is the bottom.
Bottom.
We may have to shim and stuff.
No, I don't want any.
See, what we got to do here, we got to notch here.
Yeah.
We got to notch that out.
Clipper.
It's 1914.
I got a 1915. There, give me that thing.
Throw it in the box.
What are you cutting?
Oh, there's this lip here.
Oh,
it's
yeah.
writing up on that too, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Probably doing it on both sides, Keith.
Yeah, they bent the end and sit right here.
Oh yeah.
So what we'll do, we'll just cut it off. We'll put a caulking and under the bottom. It just prevents water from kind of seeping through the other side. But I think this will. What I can do, I can caulk the outside of the door.
Yeah.
And we're going to have an overhang here.
Yeah.
You'll get nothing but the best recycled junk. You seem to have an overabundance of ants kicking around here. Dirty little bastard.
Yeah, I think the ants would win that battle.
Yeah. But you don't realize you're feeding them food, eh?
Yeah.
Keep them alive. Getting pretty thin on you.
Yeah. We should look at that frame and see if we got to do any repairs to that frame. I thought we had to put some screws or something. Yeah. I think we should screw this corner. This corner was coming apart. bottom end of this wall's not is kicked out here
Yeah.
probably a little bit. I tell you what we're gonna have to do. Let's take that door out again. Against the wall. Still a little bit.
Now it's off.
Yeah, so we just adjusted this wall, kicked it a bit. It wasn't plumb with that wall. So I think I'm gonna run to the house and get let's put a nail here.
Wouldn't it be easier just to drive?
Well, you know, that's what a truck driver would do.
If we didn't get this body for being energetic, you know. We'll be experts.
Now, you gotta lift the bottom up. Yeah. When you guys slide it in.
Yeah.
And it's, you're up here.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Kind of rubbing on that.
Oh yeah. Well.
Yeah, but the frame is.
Yeah, it's not in it, right?
Yeah, so everything's got to be
So let's throw some.
Oh, hey, it's missing a couple.
Yeah, well, that's
Screws, too.
I was sitting there going, Well, you know, when you get free stuff. Yeah, it was free.
Just about free.
Just about free.
Put some different screws in there, I think. I'll have to put a block behind it or something.
Go for it.
Okay, we got, because the screws are coming through the side of the door here where it mounts, I'm just going to put a piece of board on each one of the hinges so that the screws got something to screw into. It'll add more support to it.
Okay.
I'm just going to cut a couple pieces off.
Are you waiting for
Yeah,
that?
I know. I gave him that. I handed that one to him
You did, actually.
on a silver platter.
Yes, you did. Trying to make it a little easier, harder.
Well, I know how challenged you can be, so I gave it the easiest one I could get.
Listen, I'm all for giving the challenge and opportunity.
Well, I don't want your head to explode, so
That's right.
figured I'd give you an easy one.
Okay, so
We got a cabin! Get the lawn mowed! What the hell's going on around here?
get off my lawn, you
Get the F off my lawn! What are you doing? Now all you need is now someone to step in it and go walk it off.
Yeah, get in your car.
Oh, he's getting real technical here now.
I want Phil to have this all over himself.
Yeah, it's like I'm siliconing my sink. We can't go in too far.
Yep.
Remember the top?
Yep. Oh, hold on. Get my fingers on it. Okay, I'm gonna lift it out.
Gap that we got here. We could go. We gotta go Phillips a little bit. Make sure that we got nailing edge of both knives.
Well, that's what I mean. We should make sure it's level up and down, like this way.
Vertical.
Yeah, but more important, when I put a nail into this flange, it has to hit a 2x4.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. If it doesn't do that, then it's useless.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, well, see, that's perfect.
Yeah,
but
but then you're gonna
are we gonna have flanges and nails into? Because I know we got nothing at the top.
Yeah.
So what we got to do is kind of fudge it.
Okay.
Leave it like that for now. Get it into the stud.
This other one.
Yeah, that should be long enough. It's wider than it
We
is.
just need one more piece then. We need another piece of 2 by. I gotta take that other screw out.
You want it flush with this board here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you okay?
Yeah, she's just moving. She's just lining it up. Go for it.
I'm ready.
Oh, Jesus, look at the
Yeah,
ants.
Tony.
Eee.
Well, look what you can see.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Looking good.
What is the? Let me get a couple here.
What do you need?
What I'm looking for? Somebody hold this outside. I want to see what the reveal looks like inside. Like just hold it. All right.
Yep.
So what we're doing is we're just adjusting the reveals by shimming. We got a shim at the top and we got a shim at the side here, right?
Okay. So in the middle at the top
Yeah.
and down at the side here. Okay.
So right now I'm just securing the wedge in there.
Okay.
Got her. I'll have to tack these later on.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I think we
What's
got
next?
we scare the door and start.
Scare the door?
Scare the door. Boop. I don't have one yet. What I'd love to do is make up I blacksmith some handles,
Oh, yeah.
and I think what we may do to this is just have a lasp with a lock on it,
Okay. Yeah,
you know, and just have some
A pull.
yeah. I've often wanted to do it with the
Oh, with a horn or
with
something?
a deer horn too.
That'd
Eh?
be cool.
Yeah.
That'd be really cool.
But once we get it finished, Philip and I are going to donate. I got an antler rack that Darcy gave, Pat gave me that used to be Darcy's.
Yep.
And we're going to start plastering the cabin with all them
Yep.
horns and stuff.
Yep.
Matt,
Man cave.
Man
My
cave.
cave, my rules.
my cave, my rules. We're gonna put it down here. We'll put all that memorabilia and stuff on it.
There'll be so many horns on here.
Yeah.
We got bats in the belfry.
I don't want to say anything, but you know.
Well known.
Every person for themselves.
The top of the door, right?
Yeah, just